Most people get this wrong when researching Blackout bingo withdrawals. They see an old screenshot, read a random comment online, and assume the withdrawal rules are always the same. But here's the truth no one tells you. Withdrawal requirements can change over time, and understanding how they work is just as important as winning games. In this video you'll learn what minimum withdrawal requirements mean, how withdrawals typically work in Blackout bingo, common mistakes to avoid, and what you should check before requesting a payout in 2026. Let's get straight into it. First, let's clear up a common misunderstanding. A minimum withdrawal amount is simply the smallest balance required before you can request a payout. Many gaming and rewards apps use minimum thresholds to process transactions efficiently. However, the exact amount and requirements can change based on the platform's current policies. This means the smartest thing you can do is verify the latest information directly inside the app before making any decisions. But here's the problem. Many users focus only on the withdrawal amount and ignore the account requirements. In some cases, identity verification, payment method setup, or account review steps may be necessary before funds can be processed. For example, Alex reaches the required withdrawal balance but forgets to complete account verification. Jake reaches the same balance and has everything set up correctly. Jake's experience may be much smoother, simply because he completed the required steps first. Now here's where it gets interesting. Not all balances inside gaming apps are always treated the same way. Some platforms separate promotional credits, bonus funds, and withdrawable cash. Understanding the difference can prevent confusion when checking your account balance. In a minute, I'll show you one of the easiest ways to avoid withdrawal issues. Before that, let's talk about timing. Many people assume payouts happen instantly. In reality, processing times can vary depending on the payment method, verification status, weekends, holidays, and platform procedures. This is where most people fail. They submit a withdrawal request and immediately assume something is wrong if they don't receive payment right away. In many situations, processing simply takes time. Checking official support resources and account notifications is usually the best first step. Now for the easy tip I promised. Before requesting a withdrawal, review 3 things. Confirm your payment method is correct. Verify your account information is complete. And check the current withdrawal rules inside the app. Spending 2 minutes doing this can help prevent unnecessary delays. Let's quickly recap. Minimum withdrawal requirements determine when you can request a payout. Always check the latest rules directly in the app. Understand the difference between various balance types, complete any required verification steps, and make sure your payment details are accurate. Now you're much better prepared to understand how Blackout bingo withdrawals work in 2026 and avoid the mistakes that catch many users off guard. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button. Subscribe for more app tutorials and earning tips, and leave a comment with your experience using Blackout bingo. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.